If binding a quilt is a little bit intimidating, I have come up with a much easier method that doesn't involve cutting or piecing strips. I'm Ashley from Southern Sewing Company. Welcome back to my channel and stay tuned for a quick quilting tip.
Leave about 2 inches of overage from your backing around your entire quilt. Grab some binding clips. Then you're going to take the raw edge of your backing, meet it with the front of the quilt, and then fold. Then you're going to clip in place. Work your way around your quilt, double folding each edge. When you get to a corner, fold all the way to the edge of the quilt, and then repeat this process with the next corner. Then clip in place. Next, we're going to hop on over to our sewing machine, and we're going to sew as close to the edge as we can. When we get back to our corner, we're going to sew straight all the way to the edge of the quilt, back stitch a few stitches, stop, pick up your presser foot, then we're going to turn our work to the right. Sew all the way to this edge, reverse. Now we're going to turn our quilt all the way around and continue sewing around the quilt. While I do love binding, this is a much easier alternative, and if you like that thicker border, this is a great way to do so. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quilting tips.